Homeowners in Glendale understand the importance of keeping their homes cool in the summer, comfortable in the winter, and stylish year-round. With Southern California's sunny climate and warm temperatures, one of the smartest home upgrades you can make is investing in energy-efficient slider windows. Unlike traditional windows that swing open, slider windows glide smoothly along a track, creating a sleek, modern look that's perfect for Glendale's mix of contemporary and classic homes. But beyond their aesthetic appeal, energy-efficient slider windows offer long-term advantages that can save you money, increase comfort, and boost property value. Here's why upgrading to these innovative windows is an investment that continues to pay off for years to come. Significant energy savings over time. Glendale's sunny weather means plenty of natural light, but it also means more heat entering your home through inefficient windows. Older, single-pane designs can allow up to 30% of your home's heating and cooling energy to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and your energy bills to rise. Energy-efficient slider windows solve that problem with advanced features like low emissivity coatings that reflect heat away from your home in summer while retaining warmth in cooler months. Double or triple pane glass that provides insulation and reduces temperature transfer. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes for improved thermal performance. Over time, these features translate into consistent energy savings, especially in Glendale's warm climate. Many homeowners see a noticeable drop in monthly utility bills, savings that quickly add up to offset the cost of installation. Durability that lasts for decades. Energy-efficient slider windows aren't just designed for comfort, they're built to last. High-quality models use durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames, which resist warping, corrosion, and fading. Because they slide horizontally on precision rollers instead of using hinges or springs, slider windows also have fewer mechanical parts that can wear out over time. That means less maintenance, fewer repairs, and reliable operation year after year. For Glendale homeowners, that durability is crucial. Between sun exposure, dust, and occasional rain, you need windows that maintain their performance and appearance without constant upkeep. Improved indoor comfort. All year long. Energy-efficient slider windows help regulate indoor temperature by preventing drafts and blocking unwanted heat. With tight seals and multi-chambered frames, these windows maintain a consistent indoor environment, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This added comfort is especially noticeable in rooms that face direct sunlight. You'll enjoy a more even indoor temperature without overworking your air conditioner. Plus, the wide, unobstructed glass panels of slider windows bring in more natural light, creating a bright, airy atmosphere while still filtering out harmful UV rays that can fade furniture and flooring. Increased property value and curb appeal. When it comes to home improvements that boost resale value, energy-efficient windows consistently rank among the top investments. Buyers in Glendale appreciate upgrades that combine visual appeal, functionality, and sustainability. New slider windows enhance your home's curb appeal with their clean, modern design, while their energy-efficient features make your property more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. Whether you plan to sell soon or years down the line, installing these windows adds long-term value and marketability. Noise reduction in a more peaceful home. Glendale's lively neighborhoods and nearby traffic can sometimes bring unwanted noise. Energy-efficient slider windows act as a natural sound barrier thanks to their insulated glass and tight seals. By reducing outdoor noise, they create a quieter, more relaxing living environment, helping you enjoy greater privacy and tranquility without sacrificing natural light or fresh air. A sustainable, eco-friendly upgrade. Energy-efficient windows reduce your home's energy consumption, which in turn lowers your carbon footprint. For Glendale homeowners who care about sustainability, this upgrade aligns with environmentally responsible living while providing everyday comfort and performance. Choosing Energy Star certified slider windows also supports California's broader push toward energy conservation, helping both your household and the planet. A smart investment for Glendale Homes. Installing energy-efficient slider windows isn't just a home improvement, it's a long-term investment in comfort, performance, and peace of mind. From reducing energy costs to increasing home value, these windows offer lasting benefits that make them a smart choice for Glendale's climate and lifestyle. By working with a trusted local window installation expert, you can ensure your new slider windows are perfectly fitted, properly sealed, and built to deliver beauty and efficiency for decades to come. With one upgrade, you'll enjoy a brighter, more comfortable, and energy-smart home, now and for the future.